Hi everyone and welcome to our video about the TP5000HY, the epitome of precision in electrical measurements. The TP5000HY features a digital display and LED bar graph that provide clear and easy to read measurements, ensuring accuracy in any situation. It also has a detachable test probe that makes it easy to replace when needed. The TP5000HY is compact and easily maneuverable, making it perfect for working in tight spaces. It delivers precise readings for both AC and DC currents, providing confidence in your measurements. It is also built to withstand demanding conditions, ensuring longevity in your electrical work. The TP5000HY is the perfect tool for anyone who needs accurate and reliable electrical measurements, and is perfect for electricians, engineers, and anyone else who works with electricity. With clear and easy to read display, detachable test probe, compact design, the TP5000HY is the perfect way to elevate your electrical measurements. To learn more about the TP5000HY, visit our website and stay safe, and thank you for watching.